Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Road Safety Unit RSU were in the Ministry for Transport and Mining, so them a beg people for drive for them life and make everybody keep safe on the road for the Christmas season. Some people in the entertainment sector said the $90 million special support package for the entertainment, culture and creative industry them are not enough. Some Jamaican, amongst 18 people who get locked up in America after 2 boated migrants coming to Broward County, Florida yesterday. The Reggae Boys are going to play them next World Cup qualifying match in Panama without people in the stadium. Now for the full tour of them. The Road Safety Unit RSU were in the Ministry for Transport and Mining, so they beg people for drive for them life and make everybody keep safe on the road for the Christmas season. From the year start and up to yesterday, December 20, 453 people dead on the road in an accident. This make accident go up by 10% when you look on the same time last year. According to Nyuuz here, who run the RSU, one of the best Christmas gift people who drive on the road can give them one another and to stay safe for themselves, for them family, and for other people who drive on the road. On top of that, here some beg people who drive and other people who use the road for follow the curfew hours them. Him said the number them shows some more people dead in an accident after curfew hours. Some people in the entertainment sector said the $90 million special support package for the entertainment, culture and creative industry them are not enough. Government put out the special support package Saturday. The Ministry for Culture and Entertainment said them take application from people now and each smaddy can get up to $60,000. More than 1,000 smaddy are going to get the money. According to Howard McIntosh, who run the Entertainment Advisory Board, he want the government to do more for the people them in the sector who COVID-19 mash up them business. Some Jamaican, amongst 18 people who get locked up in America after 2 boated migrants coming out of Broward County, Florida yesterday. Agent Thomas Martin, who work in America Border Patrol, said 9 people did in the first boat and them get locked up. According to CBS 4, the first boat come around 7 in the morning. Nearly 3 hours after that, couple miles south, one second boat come with 15 smaddy at the North Atlantic Boulevard. On top of that, Mr. Martin said 9 different migrant people from all over the world get locked up in a different operation that CMD did too. Some police from the fraud squad at the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Investigation branch CTOC lock up and charge one businessman from St. Andrew and his wife pan no fraud charge. The people them are 59 years old John Levy and 56 years old Donna Levy. John get charged for do bandolo things when him run one company for plan up and rob people and for give people fake papers for get things. Donna get charged for plan up for rob people and for have thief in goods or yard. The 2 of them get charged yesterday. Some police from the Specialized Operation Branch said they want to talk to Lennon Dunkley, who one businessman who come from Portmore in St. Catherine. The police them said Dunkley can help them with one case for them have. The police said them asked the businessman for come at the Specialized Operation Branch Armand Barracks in a Vineyard Town, Kingston Tree by 5 p.m. today, December 21. Or the man must call them on 876-928-1222. Now for sports. The Reggae Boys are going to play them next World Cup qualifying match in Panama without people in the stadium. FIFA charged the Panama Football Federation after the people them who come watch the match but did support Panama, did sing some gay song about the Mexico players them when the match did play. The Reggae Boys are going to play Panama on January 30 in Panama City. The Reggae Boys no lose no match on the Central American style in this World Cup here, cause them did draw 1-1 with Costa Rica. Them beat Honduras 2-0 and them draw 1-1 with El Salvador. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just gave the news in the Jamaican language.